In this video, I will show you how to get WhatsApp on your Fitpro smartwatch. So by the end of this video, you should be able to connect WhatsApp to your Fitpro smartwatch and be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications from your phone to your Fitpro smartwatch. It doesn't matter the Fitpro smartwatch you have, whether it's the Watch 8 Fitpro smartwatch or the T55, the T500, the C800 or the T800 Fitpro smartwatch. It doesn't matter the model. The process of doing this is quite simple. All you just have to do is to go ahead and get the Fitpro Smartwatch app from the App Store of your phone. So go over to your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone, and then you want to head over to the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone. Then from the search bar at the bottom, you want to go ahead and search for Fitpro, and then make sure you download and install the Fitpro Smartwatch app into your phone. Now, once the app is downloaded and installed, before you go ahead to open it up, you want to first of all make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on your phone, and then you also make sure that the service location of your phone or GPS location is turned on your phone, depending on what it is called. Now you can now proceed to open up the Fitpro Smartwatch app on your phone. The setup process is quite simple. You just want to agree to the terms and conditions over here, give it permission to use the location service of your phone by clicking on why using this app, and then at this point you just want to come over to the set tab at the bottom over here, and then just go ahead and click on bind device to experience more feature. This will actually enable us to be able to connect our Fitpro smartwatch over here. Go ahead and click on allow, and now it will start to look for available smartwatches it can actually connect to. Give it some few seconds, and just over here you can literally see my Watch 8 Fitpro smartwatch. I'll go ahead and select it. Now it is trying to connect. You also want to give it some few seconds over here, and once it is completely connected with your Fitpro smartwatch, we can now proceed to enable WhatsApp on our Fitpro smartwatch. But before then, you also want to pair both devices via Bluetooth as well. So make sure you click on got it, and then you're going to see a pairing pop-up that will come at the bottom. If you do not see the pop-up, you can just come over here, click on Bluetooth, long press on Bluetooth, and also make sure you pair your Bluetooth with your Watch 8 Ultra. So go ahead and look for your Watch 8 Ultra from the list of Bluetooth devices over here. You can literally see mine. I will just select the name of my Watch 8 Ultra so that it can actually pair with it as well. Click on pair. And now we have successfully connected both devices via the app and via Bluetooth as well. Now you can now go over to the message push option over here, click on allow. What you want to do from over here is to just go ahead and turn on this toggle button for WhatsApp, and then click on open. Now this will take you to the settings of your phone. You want to go over to the Fitpro Smartwatch app over here from this list of apps, and then make sure you enable the allow notification access. Click on the check button and click on OK. And now that we have enabled allow notification access, you want to go back to the Fitpro Smartwatch app, and then just make sure you turn on WhatsApp from over here. And at this point, you should be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications from your phone to your Fitpro smartwatch. But if for some reasons you're still facing some issues of not being able to get your WhatsApp messages and notification, what you can actually try to fix this issue is to go over to the settings of your phone. Then you want to look for the apps settings. So come over to apps, and then go ahead and look for the WhatsApp app from the list of applications over here. You can literally see mine. Select it, and then under notifications you want to make sure you turn on this notification for WhatsApp. You also want to go ahead and look for the Fitpro smartwatch, so go ahead and look for Fitpro. You can literally see mine over here, and then under notification as well, you also want to make sure you turn on the show notification permission for the Fitpro smartwatch. Now at this point you can try sending your WhatsApp messages, and you will definitely receive it on your Fitpro smartwatch. I'll go ahead and try it out so you see that it actually works. Okay, so I just sent a WhatsApp message to myself now using my other phone, and you can literally see the message over here saying, hey, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And that is exactly what I also receive on the WhatsApp app on my Fitpro smartwatch as well. As you can see, it is actually a message from my number, and it is actually saying, my number says, hey, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.